So here I chain the stitches like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 stitch. So here I chain 10 stitch. So I do few rows with simple Tunisian crochet. So I insert the hook and pull up the loop to every stitch. I do like this. So insert the hook, see, like this. See. So after I chain crochet 1, as you see here we have loop and stitch. These 2 we crochet together, 2 together, 2 together, so till the end. See, like this. So I do this just for few rows. We do Tunisian simple stitch. Okay. Last part. See, crochet, crochet, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. We start do the same. I take 2 here and crochet it like this. As you see how stitch turn it. So we do this all the time. So I do like this and crochet. See, like twisted stitch. So we do this like this. Crochet 1 and 2, 2, 2. So we repeat row 3 all the time to the desired length. See, see. See how the stitch twisted. So see, this is how stitch. Done. So we repeat row 3 to the desired length. As you see, as I done 2 rows with Tunisian simple stitch, this part not roll. So you can do few rows also and after start the stitch. so cute, so fast to do and so easy, really so easy. Look at this, so cute. Look at this.